Hello, everybody. Canadian CEO here, Alex from Swing Trade Pros, the world's #1 trading bot community. And I'm so excited to show you guys what we have in store for you today. We have a brand new version of the Rapidfire scalper bot. Now, Rapidfire is the bot that started it all for me to start making money off of the bots, for me to go full time. And it's also what started everything for Swing Trade Pros back in the day, even before I joined. And so it's a huge honor that I was able to work on Rapidfire, bring some new advanced functionality that we have in the SAR bot, which is 4 times the price. We've brought that down to Rapidfire, an affordable version of a scalper bot for all of you guys to check out. We've made it lower risk, higher profit. You guys are absolutely going to love this. And I hope that what Rapidfire did for me allowed me to live full time off the bots. I want that for you guys too. So pay attention, watch it and learn, and we will see why, first of all, we care about Rapidfire. What kind of profits can we make off of Rapidfire? Let me show you guys. So first of all, we have JB here. So he said, Canadian CEO did a marvelous job again. Thank you, JB. He was running $1,000 on Rapidfire, and you can see in the last 15 days, he was making over 1%, 2%, 2.5%. And so absolutely fantastic returns. And then we've got Neo here, 10% over 10 days, but over 3 days, you can see here 3%. And so that means, again, 1% per day. That 1% a day is so critical, guys. That's what you need to start living full time. All right. We got Euphorio here, who's been amazing at helping me test out the bots and really put in the groundwork for a lot of these bots to get perfected. And so we've got an incredible result in 4 minutes. $29 in 4 minutes. And when you guys see how many Rapidfire trades we get with Rapidfire, you're going to be pretty excited that you can make 29 bucks off of just one trade. All right. And now something, this is why we get up in the morning. This is why we do STP every day. MPMH from the Philippines invested $1,500 and then $5K and got back $20K from the bots. He's in our VIP, and he's been listening to what we have to say in VIP. He's been moving his profits from futures to spot. And you can say here, he's paying the bills straight to the credit card. And so we love to hear this. Congratulations, MPMH, for starting to live full time off the bots. We want that for all of our members. And so you guys, listen up. And if you want that extra education, you can join our VIP. So let me, without further ado, get into the charts and show you guys Rapidfire. So Rapidfire version 2, which is what we had when I first joined, is a fantastic bot. It's what we started with. You can see these re1, re4. These are all the re-entries. And so we call these the trades, the long trades. And then these red trades here are the short trades, okay? And so you can see here, we get entries up to here, and then we get bagged up, which means the trade gets stuck. And so the trade is stuck as it moves down. And again, here, we're moving up 17 trades, right? Going up, and then you get bagged, you get stuck in this trade, and then it just dumps on you. And so Rapidfire was great, but we would be holding bags for a long time. And if you were over leveraged, you could get liquidated. So we don't want that, right? This is the last thing we want. And so with Rapidfire 3, let me show you guys the difference. You ready for it? The reveal. Here we go. So we now are cutting those tops off. You get lots of entries going up and then cutting the tops off, right? Lots of entries, cutting the top off. Lots of entries here, lots of great scalp trades. You can see all the green down there, re-entry, and not getting involved when we're hitting those tops. And that is what you want, not bagged up. We can reduce that risk. But that's not the only thing. We also brought a fan favorite, what the users have been asking for, making life easier for you guys to set up your bots. We now have the default risk settings drop-down menu on our Rapidfire bot. Now remember, this is on our highest end $400 a month bot, and now you can get it on Rapidfire for 1/4 of that price. Okay, this is absolutely incredible value we're bringing here. So if you want to get a lower risk, you can hit lower here, and your entries will get much lower risk, right? You're just buying those dips, buying the dips, right? You're not getting involved at the tops at all. So this is good if you want to run low risk, run a lot of pairs, run on spot, that sort of thing. All right, remember bringing those profits from futures to spot, you'd want to run it on low risk setting. Now on medium, we're starting to get more entries, right? We're getting a lot here, right? We're getting maybe 10 here, 8 there. This is great. Some entries down here, but we can also go up to a higher risk level, right? So now we're looking at tons of entries here, tons of entries. So Rapidfire is really, remember you saw Euphorio doing his $29 in one trade. That's a lot of $29. Of course, you'd have to get a move like that to get $29. And then we have the highest setting, degen, which is basically divergence is off and not filtering out tops. And so you can do this if you want and you get crazy amount of trades, but this is only for advanced users. We recommend you use the divergences. And so what this is, divergence filter, you see these red minuses here. This is a bearish divergence, okay? So what it means is as the price is moving up, it's losing strength. That we say the bulls are losing strength, pushing that price higher. And so even though price is going higher, it has a lower strength. Before we were not able to filter this out with RSI filtering, but now we are with divergence filtering. And so this is advanced functionality brought to the Rapidfire so that you guys can get super profitable and stay low risk. All right. This is the way we are spreading the love to the community, helping you guys go full time. All right. And now the other thing I love about Rapidfire is that it is the anti-FOMO bot. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean that if you see a coin rallying, maybe you're interested in Sand, in FTM, in DOT, in DENT, all these different coins, right? And you're like, oh no, I missed the low. I missed the low. Well, with Rapidfire, you're not missing the low because you can go in there any time of a pump, right? And just Rapidfire will trade with confidence, and then it won't get you involved in the tops, won't get you involved in the tops here, right? This is what we want, is we want low risk trades, catching these big moves, and then keeping us out of potential reversals. And that is what the divergence filter is there to help you guys out with. So I hope you're excited to use Rapidfire. Now let me show you very quickly how to set up Rapidfire, okay? So first of all, you go to the Swing Trade Pros website. And by the way, if you like my hat, Swing Trade Pros hat, it's actually quite nice. I like the quality of it. You can go to merch, grab some hats, some sweaters. We got some great stuff there. But if you want to buy Rapidfire, go to shop. And then you go to Rapidfire here, and you can see SAR is $400. Rapidfire is 1/4 the price, $97, and you're getting all of these premium features to reduce your risk and make your life easier. All right. So we have the monthly and the yearly. Yearly saves you a couple months. So it's a good idea. So you can add to cart there. And now what you want to do is go to your trading view. We're going to set up a new chart. All right, make sure you have 15-minute time frame and the Heikin-Ashi candles. This is very important. You get faster detection with Heikin-Ashi. All right, and I'm going to choose Ethereum. All right, and so when you've purchased Rapidfire, you go in here, look under STP Todd, and there we have it, Rapidfire version 3. And here it is. So you're all ready to go here it starts off with the default settings, but you can go here, click on that little gear there, and you can start going through the different default risk settings. All right, and what you want to do, hit that auto. It'll make it a lot easier to watch. So look at all these re-entries. You're buying those dips. It just looks so beautiful. All right, so medium risk, when you're first starting out with the bots, you want medium, lower. You don't go too crazy, right? Higher and highest. It's not for those starting out. So we'll do a medium. We're feeling a little bit brave today. All right. And now what you need to do is you need to go to 3 commas. Now, what you can do if you want is you can press this plus button and you'll start creating a new bot. But what I have done is I've created a bot template for you guys in the description below. So all you need to do is hit that. It's going to bring you to this page. These are going to be all the settings we're about to talk about, making your life easier here with Swing Trade Pros. By the way, if you like this content, please subscribe to the Swing Trade Pros YouTube channel and just hit those likes, please. We love those likes. All right. So now when you have this template loaded, press copy and then hit edit settings. So since this is an ETH bot, we're going to call this ETH Rapidfire Long. We're going to hit ETH up there. You can also go in this drop down and get all the different pairs. This happens to be on Binance Futures. Also works on spot, works on any exchange you guys want. All right. Now, whenever we start off with a new bot, we want to start off with low risk. So what I always do is I start off with 1% anytime I'm setting up a new bot, and you guys should too. All right. So keep low risk, 1%, no risk of liquidation. That is what you want when you're first starting off using a bot. Okay. And you can see the table here. We're going up to $1,054 on a $3,400 account. So that is pretty low risk. All right. And then what you want to do here is hit Trading View Custom Signal. And then on Target Take Profit, what we want is starting off at a 0.2% is good. Sometimes I do a 0.15 if I'm worried that the market is about to go down. You want a faster take profit. But 0.2 is good. And if you're not using trailing, you can go 0.4, 0.5%. But with trailing, if you want to get these kind of results like Euphorio, you'll want to use a 0.2 with a 0.02 trailing deviation. All right. And now for the safety orders, the dollar cost averaging. This is how when price dips down, like let's say we're in an entry here, price dips down, and we catch it. We get out here. Price goes down, we catch it here, right? So this is the idea with dollar cost averaging. So we have 5 safety orders, and with the volume scale 2, order step scale 2, this is called the martingale. And so this allows us to have drop protection to 15.5%. And as you guys saw, $1,054. So using up about a third of the account if you're on spot, and no liquidation price if you're on futures. That's what we like to see. Now, when the bot starts proving itself out, you can start going, 2% base order, safety order, and you can see there we go up to $2,000. You're starting to put a little bit more risk, but this is after the bot starts profiting, after you can see it's not bagging up. Those settings are working for you. You're happy with those risk settings, and it works according to your risk profile. All right. So you guys have complete control over the risk here. So you control your risk with base order, safety order size, start off at 1%, gradually go up. I wouldn't go more than 4 or 5%. And then with your default drop-down menu, of course, you can choose your risk setting here. All right. So now that we've got our 3 commas set up, we go create bot. You can say close. And now we can scroll down here and message for deal start signal. Okay. So you just click on that, it will copy. And then you go to your ETH chart here, and you can move to alerts. And we're going to create a new alert. What you do here is you go to Rapidfire. Now we don't use buy alert, we use rebuy. What that means is, rather than when the buy signal goes off and it's starting to detect trend, we want to wait until we have a confirmation with rebuy. And with you get all the re-entries. That's why it's called re-entries. All right, and then we have once per bar close. You don't want once per bar because you'll get random results within a candle body. You want once per bar close. All right, and then under messages, we copy and paste that message you guys got in there. And what I like to do is I like to add a little comment here: ETH rapid fire long medium risk, and you're good. Every time it fires, you're going to have a little note there. It doesn't interfere with the 3 commas. And by the way, make sure you have the webhook from 3 commas there. All right, so now we're done. You say create, and there is our alert ready to fire. And you can go up here and say start when you're ready to rock and roll. All right, guys. So I really look forward to seeing all of you on the Discord. We've got a fantastic, fantastic community, really the best trading bot community you'll ever find. We've got the rapid fire scalper page that's just private, just for rapid fire users. We've got the rapid fire setup where you'll find this video and the bot template in the description. Just so many great resources. And of course, we have thousands of other users that are also going through the same experiences as you. Great mod community. And I have some fantastic partners on there, especially STP Todd, who introduced me to rapid fire a year and a half ago, and it changed my life. And I hope it can change your life too, make you full-time, sustainable off the bots, start building that wealth with that daily compounding money printer called Rapidfire. All right, see you guys in the Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.